And me, Mr. Taylor. Hope you guys all enjoyed that little clip where I had the yeet machine, the rubber ducky, the drone, just to get things a little excited because I will be doing a feature on Thursday. Our daily feature for Thursday is going to involve the ultrasonic sensor because as you can see in the poll, behind me, there was over 40% of you guys wanted to see more with the ultrasonic. So I am going to include that with the yeet machine, the rubber ducky. And I think I'm even going to try to figure out a way to include this on it, as well as a color sensor. So I've got a problem that I've created that I'm going to solve. Just gotta use the engineering design process and figure out a prototype, test it, and see how that works. So I'll have that on Thursday, our next edition of TaylorBOTICS. So got a lot prepared. We've got 2 new missions that we are going to talk about, as well as what this week is going to look like. So let's head to shoutouts first. All right, today we've got a few special shout outs for you guys. First and foremost, yesterday was Morgan's birthday, so I want to shout you out, Morgan. Hopefully you had a great birthday. You guys, send me birthdays. I'll shout them out. Send anything you want. I'll shout it out. Memes, questions, all of that. I do have a meme today, and this meme consists of probably 2 of my favorite characters. It is Woody and Buzz from Toy Story, and it says robotics everywhere, as Buzz is sitting there telling Woody. So this is great. I love it. Thank you so much for sending that. I do have some artwork from a student, Danica. Danica sent in this picture that she drew, 2 characters. Maybe she's creating a story or a graphic novel or something, and here's these 2 characters. So awesome work, Danica. Shout out to you. Last shout out I have is a Free Build Friday. Mr. Jackson, who has sent in Free Build Friday stuff before, sent in this creation. I don't know if it's like Thor's gauntlet or a hammer. Thor doesn't have a gauntlet. Thor's hammer, or maybe this is just a security device for his room. So take a look at this. Awesome work, Jackson. Keep sending in those videos. Everybody can send in those videos. You build anything, you do artwork, you do anything. I want to showcase it to everybody because, guys, it's a weird time that we're in. So I want everybody to be able to see what you guys are working on, whether if it's robotics related or not, because I think you guys need that appreciation more than anything right now. So I appreciate that. Let's head, no questions today. So guys, if you think about it, with the ultrasonic sensor, if there's any questions this week, send them in and I will do my best to answer them. So let's head to our daily feature. Today's daily feature. We got 2 new packs that I have unlocked on CoderZ. Hopefully everybody has logged in and has an account. If you are watching this for the first time and you don't have a CoderZ account, go to the video from last week on day 16, watch that, sign up, and make sure you use the link that I post below. That link is the one you have to use and sign in with Google. The 2 packs that we have today or for this week is Object Detection 1 and Repeat Loops. Both of them you are going to want to use smart blocks as well as repeats. Especially in the repeat loops, you're going to be doing zigzags on that one. But again, you have until, let's say, Sunday. You have until Sunday to get this done. So don't stress about it. And I know some of you guys, CoderZ was kind of slow, this and that. If it's giving you issues or if you're getting frustrated on one mission, just put it down, walk away, go do something, go for a walk outside, clear your mind, come back and do that. Because really, I just want you to see you guys participating and giving me your best effort in trying to get this done. So I want to show you two clips. One, what the two packs look like. Two, a hint that you are going to want to use that is going to make it so much easier for you guys. So let's take a look at those. So guys, when you log into the course and in the the Learning Center, you will see these two unlocked now. You have object detection, which is 8 activities, and repeat loops, which is 10 activities. So in object detection, it is just pretty much you are going and trying to manually use the touch sensor to detect an object, and then it's going to have to move around whatever that object is. A lot of times it's just like your turn or not. So let's get to know the touch sensor. So you are going to use the touch sensor. It shows you got a heads-up display. You can do full screen. You can go to manual control. So like this can be helpful if you want to just see what the mission is, and then you can go back and code it. Because I mean, you know, Learning Center. So this is just object detection, just 6 different ones. Turn is a little difficult, but if you use these smart blocks, that can be very, very useful to you. And then our next one is just repeat loops. And guys, a lot of this is repetitive. A lot of this is going to be stuff that you are going to repeat over and over again, especially on from 5 to 10. And guys, I've done all of these missions, so if you have questions, let me know. I will be more than glad to help you on a different mission. Whatever mission that you are on, just tell me that, hey, Mr. Taylor, I'm stuck on repeat loops, mission 4, or tell me the name of the mission, and I will get the help to you guys. So that is for this week. Those two, object detection and repeat loops. So I have those done. Now I want, when you finish all of this, I want you to take a screenshot of this right here. And I should see all green. Now this is my student account that I created. I do all the missions on my teacher account. But I want to see all the green on that, as well as being able to see your progress. So you'll have to take a screenshot of that, turn it in on Google Classroom assignment from today, and that will count as participation in work too. So let's take a look at smart blocks real quick, and then we will head on up. One thing that I know is going to prove to be very helpful this week while you're doing your missions on CoderZ is using smart blocks. Remember, smart blocks are something that we've already programmed, and you can just replace multiple steps of a code with one block. But if you look down here, it says it's gray, I can't get it. But it tells you right there, click the plus sign to create or import. So if I go up here, I'm going to see the 3 I have: right turn, until touch, and turn left. And I will import it. And ta-da, they are all right there. And this is now green, and I can use that. So, I mean, if I look at my turn left, there's 3 different steps, but just in one block that I can use to complete these codes. So that will prove to be helpful. Hopefully you guys will use that to make your coding a little bit easier. So that is this week's assignments. You have object detection 1 and repeat loops. to get done by Sunday. Make sure that you guys utilize those smart blocks. You'll have to create a smart block for the left turn, but go back and look at the smart block for the right turn, and really you're just going to have to change some of the numbers, and then you'll have 3 smart blocks. Go until pushed, and then turn right and turn left, and you will use those a lot, especially in the repeat, because you could just repeat and make it do a zigzag. And that, guys, I did both of these packs. I did them, and it took me, I think, about 35 minutes to complete. So I know you guys can handle them, but if you have questions, let me know. Do not forget that this is new for this week. I need you to screenshot at the end when you are done. Some of you guys, shout out to you. You sent me an email, hey, Mr. Taylor, I'm done. Thank you. Yes, that is great, because I've got 90 plus students in my class, and it's all 6th, 7th, 8th grade. So being able to have that screenshot in Google Classroom will help me see you've completed all of that. So you'll just screenshot of all the green of what you've completed, and that will be great. Ultrasonic questions, send those. I'm going to be working on that mission. It's going to be pretty good, pretty fun. I'll show you the code, show you the mission field that I'm going to set up and things. So that's what we will be working with. One thing. So as you guys can see, this thing is getting a little long, and especially with the barber shops and everything closed, I can't get it trimmed. So I'm going to do a contest. If you guys do your work this week, you will be able to cast a vote for what I am going to do and how I'm going to shave this off. I'm going to give you guys 4 or 5 different options that you can choose from, and then next week I'll show those options, and then by the following Thursday I will shave this to whatever is the winning one. So get your work done, get it turned in, and you will be able to have a hand in what happens to Mr. Taylor's beard. Pretty interesting. So guys, object detection, repeat loops, those are assignments for this week. If you have any questions, email me, let me know. I want to help you. I want to make this as stress-free as possible and hopefully fun. Hopefully you guys are learning something about programming and coding those robots. Memes, questions, shout outs, whatever, send them my way. I'll put them in next video. Hope you guys have a great Monday. I'll be around next video Thursday. See you later.